Today's video is very different. We'll do our first 3D print farm tour. It is a last-second decision since something is about to change dramatically for us. We'll talk about that in the second half of this video. If you're interested in how a print farm looks like that currently makes around $30,000 a month, this video is for you. This is actually my walk to the office. I live just 50 meters away from the farm, which is a luxury. Unfortunately, this will change, but I will enjoy it as long as I still can. It is part of the Technopark, which houses 60 different startups. The building is full of innovation and small companies looking to scale up, and we are one of them. But before we enter the farm in the basement, let's have a small flashback to where we started. 3 years ago, at layer 1 of our farm layer roadmap, I was running this Ender 3 in my living room. After 2 months, we hit 100 sales, moved therefore to layer 2 with 6 Ender 3s in the basement. Of course, we ran out of space there and 3 months later moved to a small hobby room with 13 square meters. After hitting 1000 sales and leveling up to layer 3, we switched to Prusas completely and moved into the office where we currently are in. With 27 square meters, fitting 6 Prusa MK3s, 2 X1 Carbons and a big Creality. At this layer 3, I quit my job, ramped up production and added 12 A1 Minis. We added another basement of 13 square meters totaling 40 square meters and automated all of them with our FarmLoop system. But where are we today? Welcome to our current basement where our farm/YouTube studio lives. As an overview, we currently have 3 rooms, 1 office, 1 big basement and a small one where you just saw with the automated A1 Minis. All in all, 66 square meters. This basement we're in right now is the bigger one. We have 12 A1 Minis here as well and a couple of P and X series printers that are running the FarmLoop Stage 1 system. These are the workhorses of our farm, producing around 1000 to 2000 parts per month, mostly automated. As I said before, we have another basement with all of our confidential FarmLoop Stage 2 tests. In total, we have around 30 printers. Did you expect a print farm that makes 30,000 a month to look like this? Let me know in the comments. But most probably, you have expected a bigger place with more printers, right? Let me tell you something. We are in Switzerland and the rent here is crazy. Therefore, we have to make the most out of the space. That's the reason we started developing automatic printing. It does not only save labor time, but also rent. If we wouldn't have automation, we would need 50 to 60 printers to cover the parts we need per month. Since the printer wouldn't run over the weekends, right? With our FarmLoop system, we can reduce the amount of printers needed and therefore increase our profitability. It is more cost effective and the return on investment is higher per square meter used. What is not efficient though is to have to walk around these 3 different locations within one building. Additionally, these basements don't have ventilation. Not ideal at all. So we have to upgrade and bring it to the next level. Like you can do by continued learning with Brilliant, our sponsor today. Brilliant helps you get smarter every day with thousands of interactive lessons in math, science, programming, data analysis and AI. Learning a little every day is one of the most important things you can do, both for personal and professional growth. Brilliant helps you get smarter in minutes a day. It's the opposite of mindless scrolling. In order to develop the FarmLoop app, we dove into Brilliant's new updated programming courses, which are a great way to build foundation in coding, get experience with real-world applications, and learn to think like a programmer. To try everything Brilliant has to offer for free for a full 30 days, visit brilliant.org/3dfarmers or scan the QR code on screen. Or you can click the link in the description. You will also get 20% off an annual premium subscription. Now here's the big announcement. We'll move to a new location. We want to be able to grow further in the near future by adding printers, produce better videos, and provide our Skool community with even more value. It is only 5 minutes further down the street, but the change is massive. We will have 120 square meters, higher ceilings, and therefore more space to hopefully level up to layer 5 soon. If you're interested in an update video about our new farm, hit the like button and subscribe. Until then, happy printing, 3D farmers.